So, here's a look at a new product from our warm and cozy holiday release. This is the Winter Hues paper pad. This beautiful paper pad is created to make slimline cards or can be cut down for any other size card. There are many different designs, and each one of the sheets has a nice thick feel, and it's double-sided paper. One side of the paper is a polka dot and the other side is a stripe. The tones in this paper pad are perfect for your winter projects, but they can also be adaptable for spring and beyond. Beautiful pastel colors. Here's a look at a project using this paper pad as a piece of background on a slimline card. Thank you for checking out the Winter Hues paper pad.